Meet Gemini Spark, your personal AI agent that works in the cloud 24 hours a day. Give it a goal, and it plans, acts, and reports back, even while your laptop is closed. Task, schedule, skill. Let's master it.
In the last video, you learned how to prompt Gemini, PTCF, context, GEMS, deep think. Now it's time to hand those prompts to an agent. Spark takes your instructions and runs them in the background, reading Gmail, updating sheets, scheduling your calendar.
One honest note up front, Spark needs a paid plan, Pro or Ultra. Everything before this was free. Start free and come back when you hit the agent wall.
How do you get in? On the web, open gemini.google.com and click Switch to Spark at the top of the sidebar. On your phone, tap Menu, then Spark, note the beta badge. On Mac, click Spark in the sidebar of the Gemini app, 3 surfaces, 1 workspace.
First time? Gemini explains what Spark uses and how your data is processed. Tap Use Gemini Spark to begin. Here's the key privacy point. Connections are off by default. You choose which apps Spark may touch, one at a time. Welcome to the Spark Workspace. 3 areas: tasks, schedules, skills. The tasks page shows your recent threads. Bold means a response is waiting. Below, trending suggests popular tasks you can customize. Your tasks live here, along with their progress.
Creating a task is a conversation, not a form. Describe the outcome in plain language. Want it on a schedule? Say when. Need a skill? Type / and pick one. Attach files through Upload and Tools. Upload a file, add from Drive, or pull a notebook. Then hit Submit.
Here's a classic. Every Monday at 9 a.m., scan my inbox, recap the week, and propose a prioritized to-do list.
Spark runs on 3 building blocks. A task is your goal, what? A schedule is the trigger, when? A skill is the how. Reusable instructions that teach Spark your way of working. Task, schedule, skill. What? When? How? Watch it work. Each task opens a thread with a progress chip at the top. Open the work panel, and you see the plan. Completed steps, the current step, what's planned next. The Files section shows every document Spark read or updated.
And if it needs you, it pauses and asks. You take over, then hand control back.
Schedules automate the when. 3 types, time-based like every Monday at 9. Gmail monitors, like when an email arrives. And topic monitors that watch news, prices, or sports. Create one manually. Name it, set when it runs, write the instructions. Manage cards in ongoing, paused, or completed.
You can run any schedule now to test it. Keep it under 50 active schedules. Skills are your reusable playbooks. On the Skills page, create with Gemini or write one from scratch. A name, a description, instructions. You can even upload a skill.md file. Google's own docs pair a travel booking skill with a Gmail writing skill. Then type / in any task to apply your skill. Spark can also auto-use skills when they fit.
Safety first. Before Spark sends communications, modifies your data, makes a purchase, or submits a form, it pauses and asks, review, approve, or stop. You can take control of the browser at any moment. Perfect for passwords and payments.
And a warning. If a schedule runs while you're offline, you may not be able to stop it. Don't schedule anything sensitive.
The newest superpower, Auto Browse. With permissions, Spark drives your real Chrome, your logged-in accounts, your saved passwords. It can research flights, build a cart, even start a booking. Watch the badge tab and the Gemini indicator in the top bar. Payments? Never automatic.
Spark hands the browser back to you at checkout. For now, this is US only. Everywhere else, Spark uses its remote browser. Keep your device awake for local tasks.
Spark connects to everything. Native Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, Calendar, Keep, Tasks. Plus search services and YouTube. And third-party apps, Canva, Dropbox, Instacart, OpenTable, Zillow. Manage everything at gemini.google.com/apps, where you can also connect custom apps by MCP URL. Trust the provider before you connect.
What does Spark know? Your connected apps, your skills, your past chats, sites you're signed into, your location, and personal intelligence. The facts you saved about yourself. That's how a trip plan knows your wife doesn't like onions. Personal intelligence is off by default and optional.
Turn it on in settings if you want context-aware answers.
2 briefings, don't mix them up. Daily Brief is a morning summary from Gemini. Urgent emails, today's meetings, follow-ups. Spark schedules are automated tasks you define. Same idea, different tools. For a fully custom briefing, build a Spark schedule that assembles exactly what you want when you want it. Let's build the morning briefing for real. New task, every weekday at 7 a.m. Review my emails, calendar, and Drive, then tell me what to prioritize today. Submit. Spark plans the steps, checks your sources, runs in the cloud. Next morning, delivered. 3 urgent emails, 2 meetings, 1 deadline, while you slept.
Second demo, the inbox declutter. Ask Spark to summarize newsletters, archive what's read and unsubscribe from lists you never open. One task, dozens of emails handled. Or an event trigger. When my flight is delayed, notify me and propose an updated itinerary.
Spark monitors the condition and acts the moment it happens.
Now combine skills. A travel booking skill handles the rebooking. A Gmail writing skill drafts the confirmation. 1 prompt, 2 skills, both applied automatically. That's the power of reusable playbooks. Your best prompting, saved once, applied everywhere.
Let's be honest about cost. Free, Gemini Chat, Gem's Notebook LM, Workspace connections, agent mode, everything from the last 3 videos. Paid, Spark itself. Pro gets you the agent at 4 times the standard compute. Ultra, up to 20 times, plus Deep Think.
Upgrade when you hit the wall. 15 concurrent tasks, or you simply want the agent. Start free. Pay only for the layer you actually use.
Before you subscribe, the checklist. 18 or over. A personal Google account, no work or school accounts. Google AI Pro or Ultra. Keep activity on. A supported region, Spark isn't in the EEA, Switzerland, or the UK. And remember, Korea launched in July with Korean and English support.
If the Spark tab doesn't appear, check the list.
Fast fixes. No Spark tab. Check plan, age, region, keep activity. Task stopped? It's probably a checkpoint, approve it, or take control. Can't reach Gmail? Turn on connected apps and settings. Schedule never ran? You're at the limit? Or 15 tasks are running. Auto browse missing? It's US only for now.
Language blocked? On Pro, use English, or move to Ultra.
5 rules to remember. 1. Task is what. 2. Schedule is when. 3. Skill is how. 4. Checkpoints keep you in control. 5. Start free, upgrade at the wall. That's Gemini Spark, your 24/7 agent. Like, subscribe, and tell us what you'll automate first.